Hey guys, how's it going? So we're gonna be talking about AABB crypto exchange. It seems to be a decently popular video on my channel. It does okay, like it does pretty well. So of course I'm gonna be making videos, and just want to let you guys know I am not a shareholder right now. Besides the dividends that I got from AABB, I'm not a shareholder. I do own some coins, but I'm not a shareholder at the moment, unless you consider the dividends me being a shareholder. So then yes, I'm a shareholder on the dividend side, but I think those dividends are like locked because I can't sell them. I can't really do anything. They're just like on my broker, and I can't really sell them or trade them or do anything with them. They just show up there. So I don't even know if they have value right now. So but I own them, so you can consider me a shareholder on the dividend side, but I don't own any shares of my own. So just want to let you guys know ahead of time. I made a video not too long ago when it was at 24 cents, saying I had a little bit of FOMO, and then ever since then the stock sold off. So regardless, in my opinion, there's about probably at least a couple thousand shareholders, maybe more, but I'm thinking at least a couple thousand, because I'm looking at the YouTube videos, and what I notice is maybe 1,000 to 2,000 people watch these AABB videos, or the people that really care about the stock anyways, unless you're like a trader and just trade the stock and you don't really care what the fundamentals are, then you don't watch videos, you just actively trade it. But from what I can sense, I think there's only really about 2,000 shareholders. So if they can gain more shareholders, I think the stock price will go up over time. But that's what I think. Anyways, they released some. Right now, on the short term, I don't know what the stock price is gonna do. But from a MACD perspective, it looks like it's starting a new downtrend. So I'm hoping it goes down more. I'm hoping that to see this thing go down to like 10 cents by next week. But again, that's crossing my fingers and hope it happens. I don't know if it'll happen. Who knows at the end of the day? But that's what my gamble is. I'm gambling that it goes down to 10 cents. That would be awesome if it did, because that would give me a huge buying opportunity to buy back into the stock. But will it? I have no idea. But okay, but in this video we'll be talking about the exchange. So they came out with some news with the crypto exchange. I'm not really I'm not a shareholder, but I'm not really happy about this, because first of all, you basically need to in order for you to exchange for basically you gotta trade your tokens, your AABG tokens, or you have to deposit other tokens from different exchange into this exchange in order to trade, because they are not doing fiat for crypto, they're doing crypto for crypto. So you need to get more, you need to get outside crypto in order to buy and trade these cryptos. So I don't really like that. I would rather have the ability to change fiat for crypto and not just crypto for crypto. But that's my opinion. At the end of the day, I really feel like this exchange might do okay, but it's tough because there's so much competition out there. And I also feel like the AABBG token, in order for it to really increase in price, it would need to be on, well, gold, like just gold increasing in price, or if the company starts mining more gold, then yeah, that could increase the price of AABBG. But in order for AABBG tokens to increase in price, it needs to be listed on a major exchange like Binance, where it can be actively traded. Unless that happens, it's hard for me to see AABBG token to really take off and become a major crypto. Just saying, and that's just my opinion. But maybe they will put it on a major exchange in the future. I don't know. At the end of the day, we'll see. Only time will tell. I don't even know how a token gets onto a major exchange. Popularity, or maybe there's like a price that the big exchanges charge in order to put them on the major exchanges. I have no idea at the end of the day, but it needs to be on a major exchange for the price to increase, or more people use the crypto exchange and starts buying the AABBG tokens. Then yeah, I can see that happening. And another thing about this exchange that I don't like is, in order for you to cash it out, like for you to sell out for fiat currency, let's say you need to like buy something, and in order for you to do that, you basically gotta withdraw your currency to another exchange, sell that currency for fiat, then use it. So you're gonna get taxed for withdrawing your currency, and then you're gonna get taxed on the other exchange for selling your currency. You're gonna get double dip tax instead of just selling it directly on the exchange and then withdrawing it to your bank account so you can use the cash. That is kind of stupid that way. In that way, so the company really needs to do some kind of fiat to crypto exchange and not crypto to crypto. And here's like a little, like if you go on the AABBG website, this is what the exchange kind of looks like. So definitely interested to see what the final version looks like. But there's no, like it says, select by currency payment amount. There's no any fiat to crypto, and I don't like that. I want fiat. So I want to be able to use my cash to buy crypto and not just use crypto to buy crypto. I find that kind of stupid, but that's just my opinion. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And again, like I said, in order for AABBG tokens to increase in price, it needs to be on a major exchange like Binance or Coinbase or Kraken or, Gemini, Crypto.com. Those are major exchanges. They need to be on as many major exchanges as possible in order to increase in price. But again, maybe that's like a future thing. We'll find out in the future. And then there's a lot of people that are very bullish, saying that this thing's going to go to $10, $20, $30 by the end of the year. You got to be realistic. $10 is a lot of money. $10 would put this company at an $18 billion market cap. You got to be realistic. That's not going to happen at the end of the year. If that was to happen, that would take at least 5 years of execution and popularity. I mean, let's say for example, like, by the end of 2021, if, AABB gets 1 million downloads or 10 million downloads, then yeah, $10 billion could be a possibility, or $20 billion could be a possibility, but they need a lot of people to adopt the AABB wallet and start using the exchange in order for that to happen. And, just looking at Voyager, when they got like a huge influx of customers, their service went down. They had a lot of problems. So if AABB had suddenly had a huge influx of customers and 1 million people are using their platform, they're going to have problems. Their service is going to go down. They're going to get hacked. There's going to be a lot of problems. So there's a lot of milestones that this company needs to achieve. And if they were to reach $10 or $20, it's not going to be in a year. It's going to take at least 5 to 10 years for that to happen. So if you really want to believe in this company long term, then it's going to take a while. So just be aware of that. Don't listen to people that say, oh, it's going to be a $20 stock or $30 stock in the future. That's going to, or by the end of the year. That's not going to happen by the end of the year, at least in my opinion anyways. I mean, anything's possible in the market. Just look at AMC, right? It went to, it went to like almost a $30 billion market cap company in a week. So, it went from like a $7 billion to $30 billion market cap company in a week. So that's insane. So anything's possible in the markets, but this is not traded on the NASDAQ. You can't get the apes to get involved because the apes only trade NASDAQ listed companies, not OTCs. And so just being aware. And then the downloads, it's still sitting at 1,000 downloads. So, I mean, they need to get more people involved into this wallet in order for the stock price to really appreciate. And then on the Apple Store, only has 83 ratings. So, I mean, I don't know how much, like, Apple doesn't release how much people download the app, but Apple doesn't show, like, a huge amount of ratings. And same with Google. It's 1,000+ downloads been here ever since like they launched the app, and the ratings don't even go up that much, right? It's sitting at 463. It's gone up like 10 people voted in the past like 2 weeks. So not a huge amount of people are downloading this app. And then before I end this video, I'm just gonna quickly talk about the balance sheet. So they currently have $100 million, $160 million of asset. So if the company ever hits about 5 cents per share, that is literally what the balance sheet is. So that would be a huge deal down there. That would be a huge buying opportunity down there. I don't think it will go down to 5 cents, but there's always that possibility. So just be aware of that. Anyways, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.